Trading Journal, a tackle trading glossary video. By definition, a trading journal is a spreadsheet or an application where you will log, crunch, and analyze all your data so you can see if you're making money over time. Good traders keep excellent records. Quality trading journals are essential to your progress and growth as a trader, and keeping good records will help you learn more from both your income and expense trades. Disciplined use of quality trading journals will benefit you greatly by specifically tracking and measuring your overall performance with a constant eye on your success. There are 3 tackle trading journals. The first trading journal is called the Tackle Trading Journal. It allows a trader to track their account value, largest winning trades, largest losing trades, average days in a trade, total net profits, gross losses, profit and loss ratios, number of winning trades, losing trades, and percentage profitability. To be a good trader, you need to be data-driven. One of the most important features is the running equity curve, which tracks the overall positive or negative performance of the trade journal in a visual graph for fast analysis. The Tackle Theta research tool is the second journal to help organize a trader's research, watch list, analysis, and help them make better decisions regarding cash flow strategies. Covered calls, short puts, bull put spreads, bear call spreads, iron condors, and time spreads all have their own research tab with step-by-step data entry steps for a trader to fill in. The portfolio journal was built to help a trader stay organized with their overall portfolio by measuring the account value, available capital, percentage of capital allocated, total trades, bullish trades, allocated, bearish trades, neutral trades, beta-weighted delta, daily theta, portfolio factor, and market posture. A trader can have a complete snapshot of what they're doing. Now, all 3 journals serve different purposes. In my experience as a mentor, the most important journal is probably the portfolio journal, but it also requires that you understand those components. Start with all of them, downloading them to your computer, get them on the Trade Center or the Journals tab on TackleTrading.com, and go through the tutorial videos on our YouTube channel so that you can learn how to use them. Thank you for joining us. Learn, trade, connect, succeed. If you're not a member of our community, visit bit.ly/join-tacklepro to join the premium online community for traders, TackleTrading.com.